So travel is one of the easiest conversations to have, and I wanted to make sure I shared this in video form so you are not overthinking this business. So many people ask me questions like, is it hard to get started? What if you're not traveling? What if you don't have any experience being in business? What if you don't have a social media following? What if you don't really feel comfortable with marketing and promoting yourself? Can you be successful? Will it be hard to build from ground zero? So in this video, I'm going to help you with those answers. Let's start with the fact that this is travel. You guys, this is not like selling life insurance or jewelry or makeup or any of those things that are very limiting where people can give you some excuse like health and wellness products where they can say, well, I'm allergic, or, I don't believe in doing those things, or whatever other excuses you can think of, right? And I have absolutely nothing against those other industries. I'm just here to say that travel is a lot more simple and easy and attractive. So there are people from all ages, from all backgrounds, from all ethnicities, from all financial situations that actually travel. Travel isn't just luxury. Some people travel on a budget. Some people take road trips. They go on cruises. They stay all inclusive. Some people have passports. Some people don't. So you get to reach a wide range of people. Now, with understanding that, travel is already trending. It's not one of those things that's going to go out of style or that people are going to get tired of doing, okay? So in the industry of travel, or with travel being your business, you always will have the opportunity to have content, which means that people are already searching about travel. It's one of the top researched words and hashtags all over the internet. So if you have zero following right now, you start building your following in travel the way that I'm going to teach you, you're definitely going to be able to build an influence. We have a lot of people where this is their first time traveling, first time building a business, first time doing anything on social media, and they have seen success in their business right away. Understand that as soon as you get started, I'm going to go ahead and warn you, there is definitely going to be a lot of information, which I rather that than where there are other companies where they don't give you enough information. So what you will be able to do is actually choose the type of travel that you want to sell. Now, this does not mean that you're going to limit yourself and put yourself in a box. What I like to do is keep things simple in the beginning. Once you master the simple things, you're going to be able to book and sell any and everything that you truly desire. Or you may be like me, who I chose to keep it simple all of these years. My primary focus and my area of expertise has always been the Caribbean and all-inclusive. There's a whole lot to offer in that area. And there are others who choose to solely focus on specific destinations or travel types like weddings, destination weddings, or honeymoons, family travel, couples travel, even solo trips. The training is so simple. People who have never been on a cruise have been able to sell cruises without even taking a cruise. The training is so simple that people that haven't even had a passport have been able to book international destinations and travel for clients, even though they have themselves not traveled out of the country. That was kind of a tongue twister. So anyhow, you also will have the ability to sell based on what you want to sell, no matter if you have personally traveled to these destinations or not, thanks to the amazing detailed training. Now, the cool thing is that there are live options for training on webinars, but they're all recorded. So if you're like me and you like to rewind and you like to take notes, it's going to be a perfect opportunity. Also consider that in travel, when you're on the money-making side, everybody's trying to earn a commission. So these certifications are not set up like you becoming a dentist or a doctor or anything like that. These certifications are set up so that you can learn how to sell these products, which are hotels, resorts, cruises, airlines, excursions, activities, and so many other things, right? They want you to learn how to sell their products so that they can earn a commission and can pay you. So it's so simple, you guys. There's going to be some reading, mostly videos. There are quizzes to help you remember the information that you retain. And all the certifications are open book tests. You could take notes. You could go back and rewatch videos, whatever it takes to pass those certifications. From there, you're going to have all the knowledge and training that you need. Now, some people fear that they're going to mess something up. The cool part about this industry, nobody wants you to mess anything up. So on these travel agent portals, they have warnings. They make sure that you know if something is insured or not insured, if there are some travel updates or alerts. They also have it to where, if there's some particular things you should be aware of or how you should caution your clients. So you know everything up front, including how much commission you can earn, if a payment plan is available for your clients. So I love the transparency that this industry provides. Plus, when you partner with our host agency, we have some very personal relationships. So you will have a contact person, name, email, and phone numbers to contact these suppliers and ask questions if necessary. In addition to the help that you'll get direct from the suppliers, you'll also get direct help from me as your personal coach and mentor. I never charge for training. I never charge for mentorship, and you will have unlimited free support. We also have a Facebook group for our team, and our team is very helpful, y'all. We are hands-on, and I love that. The main thing is that once you get it, you got it. So even if you have a lot of questions up front, you will get those questions answered, you will understand, and you will understand why there are so many people that are offering their tips and helping the team as well. It is very simple to get started. It's an easier process than normal compared to other industries as well. If after watching this video, you're like, I'm still on the fence, I'm not quite sure if this is for me, you are wondering what the trainings look like or what our team interaction is like, what I'm really like as a coach or mentor, if you have any of those types of questions or concerns, my challenge to you is to get started. Remember, there is a 30-day money back guarantee. So even if you work a full-time job, if you have full-time commitments, if you're a full-time mom or dad or grandparent, or you learn slow, 30 days, that's a long time to have access to absolutely everything and to figure out if this is the right business for you or not. So my next challenge to you is to go down below in this email, get the enrollment instructions, get started so you can get full access as a travel agent and have your hands-on experience. See you on the money side.